And the good thing about it is when we speed it up, you won't be able to really hear our voices, so that's good. So I can't hear the funny things that we say. Oh, look at everybody voting. Cool.
We or the bus and the other vehicles will be at that Nevada State exit first.
Probably we will.
Tina took that exit.
She did?
To get back to her house, she took that exit.
Wow. Oh, she didn't live in Boulder City?
She took that exit.
I heard you.
No.
Okay, so I thought she did move out to Boulder City. That's pretty far. Oh, well. We're gonna have some lady on the video. Okay. I don't know. Somebody got in a wreck or something. Alright. Okay, if you get hot or anything, let me know, okay? EJ. Or if you want a snack, because here, did you have breakfast?
But the goldfish is there.
Yeah, there's goldfish here, or you can have goldfish or whatever she packed you for a snack. Let's see what she did here. Oh, good, you got goldfish, Gatorade, and a peanut butter sandwich. So, do you want anything right now, or are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Where is the bus?
I don't think they've even left yet, bud. So we might have to wait for a few minutes while they catch
the
up.
bus gets, when we're at Hoover Dam, the bus will be at the Nevada State.
No, I don't think they're going to be that far behind us. I'm not going to drive really super fast. Just because I don't, excuse me, I don't want to get there too ahead of them.
We're at Hoover Dam, where do you think the bus will be?
Oh, probably at the intersection of Adams Boulevard. Is it Adams Street that's downtown Boulder City?
That's where the bus will be?
Yeah, probably that intersection.
That's where the bus will be?
I think so. What do you think?
Yeah, that's where I think the bus will be.
Are you asking me or telling me?
The bus is going to be behind us. It's going to be split routes or to get our same route.
I'm sure they're all going to go the same route. And I'm hoping that they'll go on the 95 because it's going to be much quicker. Do you want to take the HOV lane? The HOV bridge? Yeah, okay. I completely forgot that we could do that. That's so cool. I've noticed it, but I've just never bothered to look far enough back to see the cars on it. Very cool.
Look, it's Durango Drive.
I wish that there was an exit eastbound.
It's just west.
Tell me.
It's only west.
It's only west. Yes, sir.
Left, HOV.
1 mile. Here we go. How many miles is it to the dam?
Like 40.
That's what I think too. What do you think is going to be your favorite part? Besides the drive. What do you think is going to be your favorite part? What do you think? EJ, what's going to be your favorite part? What are you most excited for?
The bridge.
The bridge. That's awesome. Me too. You know what I'm most excited for? I'm most excited for you to see the bridge. Because you love bridges so much. don't know the answer to that question, but I would assume that's probably right. That sounds right.
65.
Yeah,
Las Vegas already be the next city. 95 northbound. I think it's 65. It's like 65.
I didn't quite catch that question, but yes. I have been on the 95 when it's not 65 though. When you're driving into Boulder City, when you actually hit, I think it's called Buchanan Boulevard,
Yeah.
you have to go, I think the speed limit's 45. And then the closer you get into town, it drops down to, I believe, in the 30s. I think 35 is the speed limit once you get closer to downtown. Or I guess not downtown, but closer to the intersection of 93.